Today we are going to start about O-level IGCSE basis of on the previous two lessons over there in which we have studied about numbers and their operations. Now we are going towards paper 1 variant 2 of O-level or paper 2 variant 2 non-calculator variant of IGCSE past paper practice over there. For this related to basic numbers over there, I'm taking into account the simple questions which should be done on by mental math over there. Here he is saying 0.3 multiply 0.2 in this question over there. I am going to simplify this 3 2 times 6, and then after decimal how many digits are there. 0.3 is having one digit, 0.2 is having one digit, so it means decimal should be there should be two digits after decimal over there, and it is equal to 0.06 over there. After that, 3.5 divide 0.07. 3.5 divide 0.07. If I take this in the form of removal of decimal over there, then I'm taking 3.35 over 10 multiply 100 over 7. So this was the way how to remove the decimal part over there. 0.07 was in denominator. I multiplied by 100, 7 over 100 to inverted form, and 35 over 10 to remove the decimal from 3.5 over there. So 1 0 is cancelled with 1 0, 7 1 times, 7 5 times over there. 5 10 times is 50 over there. So it is the right answer for this question over there. After that, he is saying complete the statement about the answer using this 0.65 and 27 by 40 over there. According to mental math, if we go for it, 0.65 over 100 and 27 by 40. So put 27 inside and divide by 40 over there. And 40 is having, if I'm placing one decimal here, it means it is 270. 40 is going towards this 40, 6 times 240. Yeah, 0.6 times 240. And after that, I am getting here the value which is 7 4 times 7 4 30 due to decimal again, and 4 7 the 28. So it is 280, and I can write it like with the help of 20 decimal over there, and then 0 taking one more 0 over there, then 245 times 0.675. So it is 0.675 and it is 0.65. So I will say it is greater, not to be like when the mouth of this sign is open towards which number, that is greater. So 0.675 is greater than 0.65. So it is the symbol which is coming in this form. Right, express 7% as decimal form. So it is 7 over 100. So I can write it in the form of 0.07 over there. Then moving towards the next question, he is saying here, 691, the three cards above can be rearranged to make a three-digit number. For example, 916, okay. Arrange all three cards to make a three-digit number that is closer to 650. 650. I can make 691. I can make 691. I can make 619. Okay. If I use near 650 over there, then 619 is decreasing from 50 is round about like 31, and this one is 691 is 41 away. So I'm writing here 619 over there. After that, he is going towards the second part. He is saying the three-digit number, which is multiple of 7. Multiple of 7, it means I will have to go for three-digit number by using 196. Okay, that is 14 multiply 14 is equal to 196. It means it is having 7 multiple over there. So in this case, I will say here it is related to 196. 196 is the number over there. After that, he is saying a 3-digit number that is a square number. That is a square number. Then it can be you should be made by using these three 6 digits over there. Then I can take 13 times 169 over there. I can use 961 over there. Uh, I think so one more should be there. But right now I'm using this one only. You can place anyone from here. I'm taking here 961. 961 is basically 31 multiplied by 31 to give the same answer over there. This is being done mentally. No calculator is allowed for these type of questions over there. Always remember, it is not, we can say, difficult questions over there. Only you will have to focus on the question, how simply you can solve it. After that, he is going towards to 4 by 7 minus 2 by 5. So by making the denominator same, I am taking here 4 by 5, 4 by 7 it was, and I am saying here 4 by 7 minus 2 by 5. So I am multiplying here by 7, here by 7, here by 5, and here by 5 to making the denominator same over there. Then I am saying it is 20 minus 14 over 35. 20 minus 14, I know it is 6 over 35. After that, he is saying 5 by 8 divide 2 by 3. 5 by 8 divide 2 by 3. If I go for simplification, I'm saying by converting this divide into multiply, I will have to invert this fraction. 5 by 8 multiply 3 by 2, and I'm getting 15 by 16. And for this purpose, when fractions are being multiplied, numerator is going to multiply by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator over there. No more explanation like to take LCM or to simplify in a pattern way. But here you are, if that is being using the divide symbol, convert it into multiply and try to cut. If no cutting is happening, then follow these steps over there. If there is plus or minus between two fractions, then try to denominator same over there and simplify according to the plus minus subtraction and addition over there. After that, he is saying write these lengths in order to of size, starting with the shortest over there. Okay, we will take every length in one unit. Then we can compare it in the form of that. I'm taking everyone in the form of meters over there. If it is 500 meter, it is 0.05 meter. It is 50,000 meter. It is 0.5 meter. So according to this arrangement, the smallest one is 5 centimeter. Is the smallest one. 0.5, 500 millimeter, 1000 millimeter in 1 meter. Okay, it's right. And then 500 millimeter, millimeter. After that, he is saying over there 0.05, and this one is done. Now it is going towards 500 meter. And in the last, it should be written as 50 kilometer. Try to convert these prefixes into only one unit, as I have taken everyone in meters. Then I arranged by their original values. I am not using my change form. Like it is 500 meter, it is 0.05 meter, it is 50,000 meters, it is 0.5 meter, and I have arranged everything over there. After that, convert this 41.6 centimeter square into millimeter square. For converting from centimeter to millimeter, we will have to multiply by 10 over here. But here he is saying meter square and millimeter square. It means I am going to multiply this quantity with 100. So 41.6 multiplied by 100 is giving me the answer as 4160 millimeter square. James thinks of a 2-digit number. It is a cube number. It is an even number. And what is this number? So it should be cube. it should be a two-digit number and it should be cube over there. And it is an even number should be there. So if I write about two-digit numbers and I write about cubes over there, then it is 27 for 3 as a cube number, 64 is for 4, and then for 5, I know that it is going to 125. So these are only the two, only the 64 is two-digit such number, which is a cube number and also the even. So 64 is coming here over there. After that, he thinks that Umar thinks a two-digit number, it is factor of 78 and it is a prime number. So two-digit number and factor of 78. So I'm making 78 factors over here. 2 with 39, 3 with 13, and 13 with 1. So 13 I know is a prime number and it is a two-digit number. So 13 is coming here. Write down an irrational number between 1 and 2 over there. So 1 and 2, you are writing between them. So I know that under root of 2 will come between both of them, and 2 is prime number also, and it should be irrational. While giving the lecture, I told you that the square root of all the prime numbers is irrational number. So I will use here under root 2 over there. So this is the simplified form, how to use mentally those numbers by different operations over there. Let's move to the next one over there. Here he is saying that going to simplify by using fractions in the form of compound fractions, which is given. I will make the simple fractions and then we'll try to simplify it. So from here, 4 2 times 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Always remember, denominator is being multiplied by complete number and the above remainder, while which is obtained by going to divide that number, should be added. So 11 over 4 minus 16, 1 times 16 plus 13 is giving me 29 over 16 over there. So by taking and making their denominator same, I'm going to multiply by 4 and 4, multiplying by 1, multiplying by 1 over there. So it is 44 minus 29 over 16. When the denominator is in the form of addition or subtraction of the fractions, we solve it like this. Then 14 minus 9, because I'm going to take carry from here because 4 is smaller. 14 minus 9 is 5. And then remaining was 3 there. 3 minus 2 is 1 over 16. So it is 15 over 16 is the answer. Always try to write your answer at the specified answer place when you are done by all the operations over there. After that, he is saying 5 plus 3 multiply 2. 5 plus 3 multiply by 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 3 over there. Okay. Now, first of all, brackets off because no, that is according to BirdMass rule. So it is plus 2 into minus 1. And then 2 multiply by 3 plus 5. I'm going to solve this multiply, making this minus 2. And it is going towards 5 plus 3 multiply by 2 minus 2. Now I know I will have go for multiplication first. So it is 5 plus 6 minus 2. Now I will have to go for addition. Then it is 11 minus 2, which is equal to 9 there. So I'm writing 9 over here. After that, he is saying evaluate 0.02 multiply 1.2. First step, it is 12, it is 2, right here 24. Count how many digits are there after decimal. 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3, and place your decimal here. 0.024 is the solution for this according to the simple multiplication of the decimal numbers over there. Arrange these values order in size starting with the smallest over there. Okay, if I try to write it, it is 0.22. It is, if I divide 2 with 9.20 to 18, again 2, 20, 18, 2, 2, 2, So it is 0.2222. So the smallest number is 0.2 already given over there. So I'm writing here 0.2. After that 22%. Don't write your answer in converted form. Write in original form. 0.2, after that 0.22%, after that 2 by 9 should be written over there. Let's go for more practice related to this topic over there. 4, 1, 3 times 12, 1, 13 by 4 minus 5, 1, the 5 plus 4, 9 by 5. By taking the LCM, make the denominator same over there. So multiply by 4 here, multiply by 4 here, multiply by 5 here, multiply by 5 here. Okay, now 5, 13, 5, that's 65 minus 36 divided by 20. After that, 65 minus 36 is going 15 minus 6 is 9, 5 minus 3 is 2, 29 over 20. Okay, 301 multiplied by 2. 301. 301 multiplied by 2 will be 602. After that, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, and 4 digits, and then decimal. So it is 0.0602 over there. Now he is saying arrange the values starting with the smallest again. Okay, 9 by 4, 4 by 9, and 2 by 5, and 44%. We know about 44% to write 0.44. 2 by 5, 2 in 5 divide 5, 0.054 times 20 over there. So it is 0.4. And 4 by 9, 4 by 9, decimal 49 for the 36. Again 40, it means it is going on 444, 0.444 like that. Okay, and so the smallest one is 2 by 5. Then it is 44%. I am again and again telling that write the numbers in ascending order or from the smallest one, not in the solution form, write in the original form over there. And then 4 by 9 over there. This is the way how to arrange all of these numbers over there. After that, he is going towards question number 11 here. He is saying 5 divide 1 multiply 0.3. Okay, 5 divide 5 plus 1. Sorry, it is not divide, it is plus 1 multiply 0.3. So for this one, I am saying here, first I will have to go for conversion of 0.3 first. 0.3 is 3 by 10. And 5 plus 1 multiply 3 over 10. And it is 3 by 10 again. So 5 plus, first multiplication is done. 1 is multiplying by 3 and something is not in the denominator is the 1. So it will remain as 3 by 10 as it is. So it will be 5 plus 3 over 10 over 1. Making the LCM same over there. I am multiplying 10 here and 10 here. And I'm getting multiplied by 1, multiplied by 1 over there. I'm getting 50 plus 3, 53 over 10. Over 10, that can also be written as 5.3 over there. After that, he is saying 18 divided by 0.2. 18 divide 0.2. Whenever you want to remove the decimal, if that is in denominator, then multiply by that tens. According to the digits, you will write it 180 multiply by 10 divided by 2 over there. It should be 18. It should not be 180 like that. Wait a second. I'm removing it. 18 multiplied by 10 divided by 2. So you have removed this decimal right now. Decimal is giving 10 in the numerator. 2 5 times 10 and 18 5 times 90 over there. Now he is saying write this 8 over 25 as a decimal over there. Best way is to make it and the tens multiple in the denominator. That is the easy part over there. Like I'm writing 8 multiplied by 4 over 25 multiplied by 4 over there. Means in the numerator and denominator, I'm just multiplying by 4. It is 32 over 100. So I'm getting 0.32. 0.32. It is the easiest way. Otherwise, you can also adopt the method of 8 in and 25 out, pointing place here 80, 25 3 times 75, and after that it is 5 over there, placing 0, and 2 times you are getting 50. You can adopt any technique to get your answer. If you are getting this multiple in easiest form, then you can use just multiplying and dividing by the same number to the numerator and denominator, and then you are not going to be disturbed by the original fraction over there, and that is just like a simplification to get that fraction into the decimal part over there. After that, here he is saying find an integer r such that r is greater than 5 and is a square number. R is greater than 5. If I place 6 here, 6, 5, 30 minus 1 is 29. If I place 7, 5, 7, 35 minus 1, 34. If I place here 10, 5 times 10, 50 minus 1, 49. 49 is a square number. So I'm putting 5 into 10 minus 1. I'm getting 50 minus 1, which is equal to 49. So R should be 10 here. Find the value for which 8x plus 2 is a prime number. So prime number 2 is also a prime number. If I make this 8x as 0, then 2 will be a prime number. Remaining all cases are not going to allow me towards prime numbers over there. So I say I'm putting this x equal to 0. So it is 0. S, this is the S over there. And 8s plus 2, I'm making it S is 0. Write down the irrational number between 7 and 8 over there. So it should be between 7 and 8, but it should be irrational. And the way how to go for it, you will have to just take 7 and 8, 3 square root, 4 square root, 5 square root, 6, 7. 7, you are saying it is a 49, and 8 is 64. And 64, 61. I'm taking any prime number between 49 and 64 as irrational number that will give in the form of square root should be taken over there. That can be 53. That can be 57, no, 61. So I can take here under root 53. I can take here under root 61 over there. Any number which is a prime and between these two numbers over there. Because square root of 49 will be 7 and square root of 64 will be 8, and remaining all having the solution in between them. After that, he is saying evaluate this. Okay, that is the easy one. 12 plus 8 divide 9 minus 4. 12 plus 8 divide 9 minus 5 over there. So according to board maths rule, 9 minus 5 is 4. So 12 plus 8 divide 4. Then dividing division is done. Then it will be 2. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 over there. After that, he is saying evaluate this. 18 multiplied by 6. First we will do 18 multiplied by 6. 6, 8, 48. 4 carry. 6, 1, 4. 6, 1, 6. And 4, 10. 108. And how many digits are there? After the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.0. 0.00108. 0.00108 over there. Okay, now he is saying that Tasnim records the temperature in degree centigrade at 6 a.m. every day for 10 days. -6, -3, 0, -2, -1, -7, -5, 2, -1, -3. Find the difference between the highest and the lowest temperature. Always remember that the minus sign with the greatest number will be the smallest temperature over there. So that is -7. This is the smallest value, and the largest value will be related to positive over there. So I'm saying here 2 is the most greatest positive number, that is 2. So for here I'm taking 2 minus into -7. So it is 2 plus 7 and I'm getting 9. Always remember then same symbols are going to multiply. For removing this bracket over there, minus minus is getting plus, and you are getting your positive value of the number in the form of 9 degrees centigrade as the temperature difference over there. For the next part, he is saying find the median of the temperature. Arrange the temperature in ascending order. First of all, that will be -7, then -6. After that, is there -5? Yes, there is -5. After that, -5, then there is -4. No, -3 for 1 and 2 times. -3 and -3. After that, -2 is there. Then -1 for 2 times is there. Then 0 is there. Then we can say -2 was only 1 time. 2 was 1 time. 1, 1, 1, 1 with no symbol is not present, and there is 2. Okay, if we go for simplification of this one, I will simply say for getting median, try to cut this one with this one with this one, means going to decrease the terms from both sides over there. -5 with -1, -3 with -1. Now you have the 2 terms in the center. Try to go with these 2 terms with -3, -2 is -5 divided by 2, then add both of them and divide them by 2. Then it is -2.5 over there. It is -2.5 over there. -2.5 as the median of this function over there. Now he is saying go for addition over there. 1 by 7 plus 3 by 4. Multiply them with the making the denominator same over there. Multiply 7, multiply by 7, multiply by 4, multiply by 4. Then it is 4 plus 21. 4 plus 21 over 28. It is 25 by 28. Over there. Now he is saying that these are the two fractions which are being divided by 5. First of all, I will make them from a mixed fraction to the normal fraction over there. Let's go 3, 5, the 15, 1, 16 over 3. Divide 5, 1, 5, 3. 8 by 5. Now, for converting this division sign into multiplication, 16 over 3 multiply 5 over 8. 8 1 times, 8 2 times. Then you can write in the form of 10 over 3. Now he is saying evaluate this when n is equal to -1. So 10 plus 2 into -1 whole square. Always remember when the even power is there, minus sign will be ignored, and 1 square is 1. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 over there. 0.4 multiply 0.2, and if I multiply by digit 4 to the 8 over there, how many digits are there after decimal over there? 1 and 1, 2 are there, so it is 1 and it is 2. 0.08 should be written here. Okay. Now he is saying write 3% as a fraction. So 3% means 3 out of 100 over there. So I'm writing it 3 over 100. and that is, he is asking me to write as a fraction over there. So it is 3 by 100. Work out this 90 minus 16 divided by 2. So according to Bidmar's rule, I know that division should be done first. 90 minus 16 over 2, which is equal to 90. 90 minus 8, which is equal to 82 there. After that, he is saying x is an integer between 50 and 60, right? 70. Write down the value of x when x is a cube number. That is 64. We also have done in the previous question that that is a cube number, and between 50 and 60, that is 64, because it is the product of cube number of 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 as the 4 cube over there. X is a factor, prime factor of 268. Okay, so we will have to go for 268 first. 268. Let's go for 2 times. It should be between 50 and 60 over there, 70 over there. 212, 236, 248. Let's go for 2 again. 612, 114. 27. So that is a 67 there, because 67 is not the factor of anyone having anyone else. So it is going like this. So 67 is the number between 50 and 70 there. That should be written correct as according to the given condition. Now he is saying 8 by 3, and it is plus. Okay. 8 by 3 plus 3 1 the 3 and 1 4 by 3. So it is 12 by 3, and 3 1 times 3 4 times. So it is 4 as answer. Let's do this one. Okay, 5 minus 3 into 2 minus 1.4 is giving me answer as 0.6. Now I'm going to write it 5 minus 3 6 the 18, that is 1.8. And it is making my answer as 550 minus 18, 32. So I'm writing it 3.2 over there. After that, we should move towards more 2 or 3 questions which are for today class over there. Arrange the fractions in order beginning with the smallest. Okay. 4 by 5, I'm trying to solve it first. This 4 5 8 5 the 40, so it is 0.8. After that, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 0.0728 20 4 5 20 over there, 0.75. 31 by 40, point here 310. 4 7 the 28, 4 8 the 32. No, 4 7 the 28. Then I'm having 30, and 4 7 the 28. I'm having 20. 4 5 the 0.775. 0.775. So the smallest one is 3 by 4. And then 31 by 40. And in the last is 4 by 5 over there. So don't worry about like all fractions are given, some decimals are given. Try to place them in the same form and get the smallest value first and arrange them in ascending order over there. After that, he is saying there 1.3 plus 2.9. 1.3, it is plus, yeah, plus 2.9 over 0.2. Okay, before simplification, I'm going to add both of them. 9 and 3 is 12. 1 carry. 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. 4.2 over 0.2. 0.2. I'm going to remove decimal, so I will multiply by 10 and also divide by 10. Then I am getting this decimal and this decimal to be removed, like 42 multiply 10 over 2, multiply by 10 over there, 10 is cancelled. 42 over 2 is giving me 21. Let's go for multiplication of these fractions over there. Try to simplify them. Then this is 4 to the 8, 9 by 4. Multiply 1 by 5. So 4 to the 8, 9 by 4, multiply 1 by 5. Okay. Now they are not going to be cancelled out. So just multiply numerator with numerator. You are getting 9 over 20. So this was our little bit practice related to the numbers and their operations, which we have done according to our two main practice papers like IGCSE and O level. Um, and this policy was updated for IGCSE past paper questions according to that. Paper 2 variant 2, paper 2 variant 1, paper 2 variant 3 for IGCSE, that they have now non-calculator variant of their paper. And last year, mostly students were not familiar with that, and there was a problem for their exams. So try to focus on this section of this paper and try to make your practice as best as you can. It is sometimes called mental math also. So try to improve your mathematics skills with these videos, and the questions which are tried here also try at your home on your practice work, and then try to match your answers with this video solutions over there. Thank you so much for today class, and see you tomorrow, guys.